On this vlog, I will share with you our day-to itinerary of our winter wonderland trip in Japan. My name is JLo and this is another travel episode for JLofied. We went to Nagoya to visit Toyota Kaikan Museum and joined the Toyota plant tours. We also visited Osaka malls, Dotonbori, and Shinsaibashi. The Toyota Kaikan Museum has excellent displays of vehicles and interactive pieces to help explain aspects of how vehicles are produced. The interactive displays add some fun to the learning experience. It is a great place where we can learn about the evolution of Toyota, see the Toyota car's history, and see how the assembly line works.
Laser といえば SF 映画やアニメの世界をイメージするかもしれません。しかし、現実の世界でもさまざまなところで活用されています。私たちは車の溶接工程
The plant tour is really amazing. Unfortunately, taking videos and photos are not allowed inside the plant. Toyota has done a great job in explaining its technologies through this tour. It is interesting to note that all workers on the line are very productive and walang nasasayang na oras. Every move is precise. If you are a car enthusiast, don't miss this tour. Book the tour at least 3 months before of your scheduled trip. Anong gagawin niya?
Blue line. Pinindot ko itong contact.
Ay! Sige pa nga. Lalagay ko close up. One more.
New line.
Sige na. Eh, paano nagkakaroon? Ay.
This one is the new line. The two test pieces to compare the sound. More welding points and stronger band results in a higher pitch.
So,
This is
It
the
was not that easy to introduce laser welding
lower pitch.
to this process.
pag lower pitch,
Less welding.
makatibay.
More welding.
Pull down.
In accordance with the information on the screen needed. Please select the model in which you have. Please insert pre-usage.
Door number.
Yan. Yan. Reader sa taas.
The locker is now unlocked.
Success!
Thank you.
Arigato gozaimashita!
Arigato!
Ito po ang shinaping niya. Uniqlo bag. Yeah! Ang dami po niyang shinaping. Kunyari daw wala siyang bibilihin. Pero, nagkakamali tayo.